Look, y'all. Look what I'm making for my birthday. Gingerbread. Look, I got them in 2 loaf pans. I would show y'all the recipe, but my mama told me don't show y'all the recipe. I tell y'all a secret though. It has ginger in it. So I'm about to go put it in the oven for 350. No, at 350 for about 45 minutes to an hour. And y'all gonna see my gingerbread loaves. Happy birthday to me. This is my birthday cake, gingerbread. I'm gonna give y'all the rest of the ingredients later. Don't tell I told y'all though. All right, y'all, it's been 45 minutes since my gingerbread's been in the oven. It's time to take them out. Hope they're done. Hope y'all can see them. Look at that. I got one right there. Let me go get the other one. They smell good. Get the other one. We'll close the oven up. Where I'm at right here. Come on, blind man. Look at my birthday gingerbread. All right, we got a. Woo, they're hot. Got them on the cooling rack. Let me get a toothpick and do a toothpick test. Cause it'll be nasty if I do a toothpick test with the toothpick just in my mouth. Happy birthday to me. All right, let me stick it in there. Stick in the center. All right, came back clean. Let me stick it in the center there. And it's gonna sink in the middle because this is a dense. You know, gingerbread is dense, real dense. But look at that, came out clean. You stick in another area. There we go, y'all. So we're gonna let them cool and rest, and we're about to taste my gingerbread loaves. Nah, happy 44th birthday to me. All right, y'all, they've been cooling in the pan for 5 minutes. Let's turn these bad boys over. All right, they better not make me shame. Now make me shame gingerbreads. Okay. Let's go like this. Of course, y'all know I flour the pan. There we go. There we go. Yeah, buddy. Flip it over. Oh, they smell good. Get the second one. Let's flip. Oh yeah, see? When you flour your pans and put shortening, okay, let me put this on the side of that one. So I'm gonna scoot it over, give it room. Scoot it over, give it room. There go my birthday gingerbread loaves. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. All right, y'all, like I say, today was my 44th birthday. I didn't have to do much cooking. I didn't have to do no cooking. My mom cooked for me. And I wanted something simple. Just simple smothered pork chops, candy yams, red beans, cornbread, and rice. And the fabulous gingerbread for my birthday cake. So mama gave me all the ingredients, whipped it up, put it in the oven. Let's taste my birthday gingerbread. Let's see which one. Let me cut this one. You know, I'm not good at cutting stuff. Let me cut the end. Let me cut right here. This is better for me. I said I gotta cut with my eyes closed. Oh my goodness, there we go. There we go. Look at my look at my slice of gingerbread. I just don't have no milk to go with it. Happy. Happy birthday to me. And look, y'all, I shaved my beard off. I just have my mustache and goatee. It'll be back in 2 weeks, so thank you all for the happy birthdays. And I'm gonna enjoy my gingerbread. Bye.